Ever spent hours sweeping and mopping, only to find dust bunnies hiding under furniture? Meet our smart robot vacuum. It glides effortlessly, cleaning floors without any manual effort. It hugs walls to get into tight corners, uses anti-drop sensors to avoid falls, and climbs small bumps. With strong suction, it picks up everything from paper to hair, and runs quietly for up to 100 minutes on a charge. No more bending or straining. Why struggle when you can let the robot do the work? Tap to learn how it can transform your cleaning routine.